with all of Thomas's friends. There's the cheerful but sometimes accident-prone Percy, the proud and strong Gordon, James with his splendid red coat, the long and fast Henry, the always helpful Bertie, everyone's new friend Emily, and Sir Topham Hatt, the superintendent of the railway, who makes sure everything keeps running right on time. Each release in this award-winning collection contains stories that teach the valuable life lessons of friendship and working together, and the importance of trust and honesty.
Thank you for looking after my passengers. I do like company, especially children's company.
And now, Little Engineers have an express ticket to trainloads of interactive fun, now available on DVD. Join your railway friends as they take you to island destinations such as the Fun and Games Shed, Sing-Along Station, Read-Along Depot, and the Character Gallery, where you'll meet each engine up close and personal. Each Thomas the Tank Engine release is engineered for fun. The journey starts here, so climb aboard for all of these Thomas and Friends adventures today.
Hello, I'm Thomas, and I'd like to welcome you to the island of Sodor. I hope your journey here was a pleasant one. Mine sure was. My friends and I have been so excited to know you were coming, and we are all ready to show you why it's great to be an engine. You can play all stories on It's Great to Be an Engine, or you can go directly to the Fun and Games Quarry, where Cranky can lead you to game adventures. Or, if you'd like, you can express yourself directly to the story of your choice. It's time to leave the station, so let's get started. Hi, I'm Cranky, and I'm unloading some fun games and activities for you to play. You can pick from the following fun activities, including Read to Race, if you were an engine, It's time to leave the station, so let's get started.
It's Great to Be an Engine features 7 different stories for you to enjoy. Press the red arrow button to see more choices.